Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Cambodia. So let's get started. So here we'll just go, and here you will directly search for a business account in Cambodia. Okay, so here we can see, so here the list is here. So I can see, so the first bank is our ACLEDA Bank PLC. Then we have Advanced Bank of Asia. Then we have Agri Bank and other bank. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business account in your ACLEDA Bank PLC. So I was to go to this bank. Okay, so here I can see, so here I have this bank, so the lady card and other things. So to open a business account here, you will directly go to business, then you have to go to the deposit. So here you are saying invest your money to hit this smart choice. Okay, you can now request to open a new bank on your PC or mobile anytime. You can just click on like here button. Okay, so here we can see instruction. So you have to download the form and send the form to the branch for the application or service. So we'll just click off here form. So here you have to put your name, your phone number, email address, your comment, like which account you are opening. You have to select the nearest branch from you, and then I'm opening in domestic, or if you want to open international account, you can just click here, and here you will send. So here you will directly send your transformation detail, like the detail they are asking for, like opening a bank for here, personal account, general account, and I think so this is for other accounts. So we can see the detail also. So withdrawal, so I will go into these personal. Okay, for example, so you have to fill this form, or you can see the form, and you have to send to your nearest branch, and they will proceed or they will open it. So this is uh, a very good process and easy process for the government to open. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.